Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Wednesday. We've been waiting for this day to come, guys, so that the market can start to move very nice. Just know that we have CPI, US CPI, right? So it's around 2:30, which means it's very good because it's like 1 hour before the market opens. And let's go on the previous month. Things were just going up, things were positive. So the forecast or analysts think maybe this number will be going a little bit lower. They think maybe the numbers will be going a little bit down. Last month it was 0.4%. They estimate that this month is going to be 3. So my expectation, I think, yeah, maybe we might have this number a little bit higher, or maybe 0.3 something, but I think one of these three is going to go down, and I think that will be much better. I think the numbers, actually the overall expectation from my side, I think things they're going to be a little bit negative, and I don't think we're going to see any bigger surprise there. Then that will actually mean that we might actually just consolidate or end up going up with our trends. We are on a bullish trend on Nasdaq, US30s, on gold. So all those things, I think we are going to go to the upside. So later on, same day, today, it was 6 yesterday. Today it's 7:15. Now, Powell is going to speak. Oh, not Powell. Powell is going to speak. It's not really speaking. Okay, let's say around 8, guys. Around 8, because now I see this is medium impact. So around 8, there is going to be a meeting minutes from FOMC members. So we'll see if maybe things are positive or negative. But most likely, we might see a nice move here. And later on, or maybe here, the market might not really move that much. And around this meeting, things might start to go crazy, because I think they're going to say something. They're going to say something, obviously. Whether it's positive or negative, or some they will say hawkish or dovish, right? So on Thursday, which is tomorrow, we have core PPI. Yeah, this week is going to be busy. We have PPI, and we have also unemployment claims. So PPI, let's see, the numbers were crazy high last month. Now they seem like crazy low. That doesn't really look right. Maybe the market will see the results tomorrow, so we don't really have to guess there, right? So now let's go on. Okay, this is the US whatever. Let me close that. Let's go on the Euro JPY or on the hour analysis. But before I continue with that, guys, remember that we have a nice special for you, which is actually limited. We have 6 months VIP signals for $48. So $48. So this is limited. So another thing that we have, which is very nice, if you want to join mentorship, talk to me. If maybe just talk to me, because I think I have something good for you. But what I have now is $350. It's actually a mentorship. Then I'm going to add this mentorship. You also get 12 months of VIP signals if you join our mentorship. Actually, I just need 10 people then, so that I can able to manage them. So if you are interested, and if maybe you want some discounts and stuff like that, talk to me. I will sort you out. So just check the WhatsApp details or the link. Just click the link and talk to me there. But if you want to eat, then talk to me on the signals. $48 is still running. So now we are on Euro JPY. What's really happening? We can easily see that the market is still going up. I don't really see enough change here. Yesterday we were talking about this uptrend. It's quite straightforward. Now we are around that level. We are around that area. So let's go there. So today it's a CPI day, so the market might be going up and down, especially before that. So just understand that most likely you don't really have to be in the market, especially if those things are going to go with the dollar, right? Because it can go crazy. And it doesn't really matter whether you're buying or you're selling, because sometimes the market will just spike and then you can lose. So now we are on EuroJPY. What's really happening? We can easily see that the market already reached our resistance area, and we are here. So the question is, will the market going to continue breaking out of this area? And if it does that, obviously we're going to buy above that area. If not, it means the market will be going down towards that support. Then we can say we will be ready to do what? To continue with the buy as the market is still on this uptrend. Unless if the market does what? Unless if the market breaks out. For now, yes, we are still bullish, so I will have to check this if maybe it's about to break out. But it seems like it's not ready yet, but it's very closer. So a notification there, it can actually help. So now we are on USD/JPY. Just as you can see that we have this notification on. We had that notification for maybe 3 days. I thought maybe the market was going to break, and it's very close, but the market doesn't really want to go anywhere. The market is just consolidate here. You can see even there we had the same thing. So my expectation here is, as long as the market is a little bit higher, you can see that we are on an uptrend, obviously. I think with with CPI, we might see something like this happening before we see a continuation of a buy. That is possible, and that is what I'm expecting. So which means I'm expecting to see a sell on a dollar. But yes, I can be wrong also. So if I'm wrong, most likely the market will be breaking out of this and continuing with the trend. That is also possible, right? So just because I'm saying I'm wrong, it's not like I'm gonna go all out and say I'm going to risk everything. No, we don't trade like that, right? There's always tomorrow. We can't just risk everything because of one candlestick. Even if maybe you can make more, but it means you'll be over risking. What if things don't go your way? So you just want to take everything out on one signal? No, there's still tomorrow. So we are on GBP/JPY, nice, quite similar to EURJPY. So you can see that the market is also going towards that resistance. So what I like about this signal was sent also in the free group. So you can see there, I think I did not really update you that much because there's not any crazy reversal. The market was just slow, very slow. But fortunately, the market is still going towards that. If you are still holding, I think just lock that or just get out. So I think that is actually what I can do if I opened that positions or that position. So, but to me, it's quite straightforward structure. We are on a resistance. The question is, will the market break out here? If it does that, obviously we're going to look for a buy, or maybe we will have a nice reversal. If the market reverses, we'll be waiting for the market to bounce back towards our support area before we go up again. Or maybe the market will decide otherwise, but for now we are still on that uptrend. So the question is here, is the market going to reverse or continue? Those are the most important question for now. What will happen here? It's another story. It means once we focus here, it means the market will be going down. So we can't just say the market will, no, the market, we have to wait for the market to do that before we talk about that, right? So let's push to the next one. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So now we are on Bitcoin. What's really happening on Bitcoin is been going up very nice, or aggressive by the way, but you can see that we have a solid support there, and on top there we also have not really that solid resistance, but we can see that the market is respecting that. So I like the fact that the market is back on the support. We might end up going even higher. So I think also CPI can say something. It's gonna have an effect here. So which means maybe when the when we have those ECPI release, I think maybe the market will do something, whether going down, breaking that support area, going down, or maybe breaking out of that resistance, then starting to going even higher, because we're floating around 69.70 something. So it means there is a room to go even further, right? So now we are on DXY. We've been preaching around the same level on DXY. We can easily see that on top here we have a very nice one. We have a very nice resistance around that level. So I'm expecting to see the market doing what? Continuing going down, quite similar to here and also there. You see that, and we show that the market is actually running away from this resistance, but we stuck around this area here. We also have a smaller support there. Let me try to zoom a little bit. You will see that. So on this, you can see that we also have this nice horizontal support structure, and we can say we also had this diagonal structure which the market actually broke out. So the question is, are we jumping on a sell? No, we just know that the market already broke out on our diagonal structure, but now our job is to wait for the market to break this support. Once it breaks there, we will say, yeah, now you see, now we're talking. But for now, there is a chance for the market to respect this level before going down, or maybe before breaking out of this area. That is way too possible. That is possible, right? So let's push to the next one, which is Euro-USD. So here I have this structure because now it's starting to, it's not really confusing because the market was going up. Now we had a breakout. This seems to be a very nice retest there, but it seems like the market still wants to go to the upside. And once the market does something like this, because it seems to be a retest, we expect the market to continue going down as the market broke out of that support, out of this nice uptrend there. You see that? So it seems like, again, we have a nice structure on top there, because once we draw that, we are going to mess up things, because now we're going to have so many lines. You see that? I think that is also something that we can actually have, but we are still on the right track if we say this is actually our resistance, because if the market goes below there, we are still going to continue, and the market has to show us. We don't really have to force this area here, because if we start to draw every line that we see there, it's going to change what we see. If maybe we have something like this, you can see there, that is also a horizontal structure. Once I draw them, you start to see them. Once I start to draw, that is fine. I can draw with this. You see that? So this, it's a very nice uptrend. You can see that the market was creating something like this. So we can say this will be forcing. It makes sense, yes, but we will be forcing because we also had that structure. So this was also a ranging structure. So that's why we are going to consider this resistance. If the market continues to go up, then we're going to change all this and say, okay, maybe now the market is continuing on that uptrend. If it goes down, obviously we will see that, okay, we are continuing with our trend. But for now, the market is just playing games because we just broke out thinking that we're going to go down. Now it's trying to go up again. Simple as that. But I think it's way too clearer on a GBPUSD because we also had a buy pending order. You see this breakout here. It's just the same as the previous resistance there, or maybe support here. So, but what we have here is we have this level and this level. We had a sell pending order, which was not really triggered. I was still waiting for the notification to go on, but the market seems to be playing around. So it seems like maybe the market will end up continuing going up, or maybe we will see a nice reversal. If that happens, it's fine. We will have a very nice trade because this is actually now on a downtrend structure, as we just broken out, right? So, but there's nothing much. But since we have some CPI later on, be extra careful because some crazy stuff can happen. Crazy moves, by the way. Now we are on gold. We tried to play around with the structures. Now they start to make sense because now it's still aggressively going up, but at least now we can see a resistance, support, resistance, something like that, you see. So I'm expecting to see a continuation of a buy if we are going to continue with this nice uptrend, or maybe the market will end up going down. We will see what will happen, right? So I think there is nothing much. Everything's just quite straightforward on that. So now we are on US30. What's really happening on US30? I think we smashed this. I think I did send this. Did I send this in the free group? I don't think so. But I told my people to scalp this US30, the time it was selling, it's US30, S&P 500, I think, and also Nasdaq. So we did scalp this. Let me check. I'm not supposed to just say stuff. I just need to show you that yes, we actually not just saying some stuff, we do actually it. Let's see. Eurozar, let's talk about yesterday's stuff. S&P 500, I will be going through that S&P 500. You can see is the time S&P 500 was going down. Then we have a buy there, and I said it might reverse. I don't know if I sent this in the free group, but you can see that. So that was a nice one also. On Nasdaq, you can see that we also have something here, a buy stop there. Then I said around this area we should just get out. You will see that structure. And let's see another one. Where is another one? Did I say US30? Yes. Also US30, it's here. So even US30, you can see that I said we should eat. But on this one here, you can see that the take profit was a little bit higher. But as long as this was just scalping, obviously you made something out of that, because the market is just reversing here and there. And that is because we have CPI. You can see the structure is very nice. We had this nice uptrend going up. So this uptrend, actually, you can easily see that the market is obviously going up. But we have this aggressive breakout here. And at the end of the day, we have this nice reversal. So yesterday, if you still remember early in the morning, on the daily analysis, I said there is a chance for the market to create something like this before going up. Guess what? Likely enough, later on, the market tried to come and test that area again. Guess what? We did not really wait. We did scalp this going up. That was good, by the way. So, but after that, you can see that the market is still hanging around here. If you still holding, please lock your profits. If maybe you still want to hold until CPI, but it's way much better to just start afresh. Just try to get out and just start afresh. It's better than nothing. Whatever that you made is better than nothing. So on Nasdaq, it's quite similar also. You can easily see that the market is actually doing what? The market is still on that uptrend. I've been talking about this for quite some time. So what we have now is we have a very nice structure, and what I like about this is I saw the market coming towards this support area. I said, you know what, guys, let's just scalp this thing going up. Yes, if I did not really update you, because it's a scalping, I don't really have to say take profit here or whatever. You can just close as long as you're gonna make some cash, right? So I'm expecting a continuation. Then on that, I will be updating you later on, right? But beside that, we are actually on a very nice uptrend structure. That's why even if you scalp, just understand where the market is going, and most likely gonna be right? So you can see that we are still continuing going up. Yes, the market sometimes can sell here and there. So in the group, I will be introducing 3 things now. If you join the group, so every signal will come with, it's either it's a swing, or let me start with scalping. So there will be trades where I will say just scalp it, which means we don't really have TP. Maybe I might show you that, but you can just get out whenever you make some profits. Day trading or daily trades or signals, there will be, as long as it's less than 5 days. If you can hold that less than 5 days, sometimes the market can hold you more than a day, even if it's a day signal or daily signal. So sometimes you can hold 2 days or 3 days. It will depend on that signal or the situation or what the market is moving, right? So swing trades, obviously it's more than 5 days, or let's say it's more than a week. So which means we're gonna have specific swing trades that I'm going to send in the group starting from today, guys. So that's why we say you can join the team for $48. Then you can start to eat with that. But if you want mentorship, and if maybe you need some discounts, talk to me, then I will add you in my mentorship. So for those who wants to join mentorship without any issue, you can join our mentorship for $350, plus you also get 12 months of VIP signals. then you're gonna get this and you start to eat with us. Simple as that. So let's see what we have on the other one. It's going to be S&P. You can see also S&P. I said we should have that scalping thing. Everyone was eating, so but it's not really a big deal, something that we do every day. So you can see that the market is still continuing with that uptrend. So that's what we do. We are still following the trend. So I'm just expecting to see maybe some consolidation, because we're expecting a very important high impact news, which is CPI, and I'm expecting to see the market doing something like that. If that happens, that will be good. But the opposite might also happen. The opposite might also happen, and we are ready for that also. But I will be updating my people in the group, so don't worry. So don't worry about buying or selling, because I'm here for you. So US oil still flying, which means I'm just waiting for a proper structure. I think the market is creating a nice support before I tell you to buy or before I send that buy. But we are already at the highest level. We can see that the market is actually continuing, going even higher. So thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Bye.